Hello everybody, I will show you the slide, very important chime. 1, 2, 3, 5, near the 1, I slide, join, go back to line 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, 3. I step near the left foot, I push to slide, I join, I turn to the line 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I will show you the slide this way. 1, 2, 3. So I turn 5, diagonal, 5, obliques, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.